Why smart people have 2 or 3 credit cards? It's not because they love utang. In fact, some of the most financially disciplined people I know have multiple credit cards. Hi everyone, Crisel Morales here. Welcome back dito sa ating YouTube channel. Let's talk about 1, 2, 3, or multiple credit cards. Today, I will explain when it is smart and when it is dangerous, and how to do it the right way. Some people believe more credit cards, more utang. One credit card is safer. But the truth, credit cards are tools, and tools can help or hurt depending on how you use them. For example, hammer or martilyo. Kapag ginamit mo ang hammer or ang martilyo para pukpukin ang daliri mo, syempre masasaktan ka. Saan ba kasi ginagamit ang hammer or ang martilyo? Ginagamit ang martilyo sa pako, di ba? So, a tool can hurt you or can help you depending on how you use them. Alright, moving on. Today, I will explain to you why is it good to have multiple credit cards. Number 1 reason, lower credit utilization. Ano nga ba ang credit utilization? Ang credit utilization ay yung dami ng credit limit na ginagamit mo from your credit card. Example, one credit card with 50,000 credit limit. Kapag ginamit mo yung 20,000 na credit limit mo, 40% utilization na yan. Medyo mataas. Ngayon, for example, kung dalawa ang credit card mo and each of your credit card has 50,000 credit limit and nagamit mo yung 20,000, 10,000 from the other one and another 10,000 from the other one. Same 20,000 spending, pero 20% utilization lamang dahil dalawa yung credit card na ginamit mo. Kapag mababa kasi ang utilization mo, mas may tendency at mas may opportunity para tumaas ang credit score mo. The truth is, ang mga bangko gustong-gusto nila yung mga clients na hindi nagma-max out sa kanilang mga credit limit. Kaya maganda kung i-practice natin ang low utilization. Reason number 2, different cards, different purposes. Smart people assign roles to each of their credit card. Kumbaga, may iba-ibang function or role ang mga credit cards. Yan ang mga smart clients or smart credit card holder. For example, credit card number 1, ang kanyang function or ang kanyang role is for daily expenses, groceries, gas, and utilities. And card number 2 is also functioning or has the role for installment or big purchases. And card number 3 has the purpose for rewards, cashback, or travel. So having multiple credit cards with different roles or functions can avoid overspending, can also avoid mixing personal and big ticket expenses, and also easier to track expenses. Number 3 reason, backup and emergencies. Cards can get blocked, declined, or compromised. Depende yan kung paano mo gamitin ang credit card mo. But just in case that your credit card encounters these situations, maganda kapag meron ka pang extra credit card. And going back, ano nga ba talaga ang gagawin mo if that happens during an emergency? Obviously, sakit ang ulo ang dulot, problema ang dulot. At the truth is, ang hirap humiram sa mga kakilala o sa mga kamag-anak in case of emergency. So iba talaga kapag meron kang credit card or multiple credit cards. Ang tawag natin dyan, second or third credit card equals financial safety net. Reason number 4, stronger credit profile. Banks don't just look at income. Hindi lang yung income ang tinitignan ng mga bangko sa atin. They look at payment history, number of active accounts, credit behavior over time, and managing 2 to 3 credit cards shows discipline, reliability, low risk, and this helps with loan approvals pagdating ng panahon, credit limit increase na gustong-gusto natin, and better interest rate. Ngayon, tignan naman natin kung kailan nagiging bad idea ang pagkakaroon ng multiple credit cards. Multiple credit cards are not smart if, number 1, you only pay the minimum amount. Number 2, you forget due dates. Number 3, you use cards to cover all debts. You feel anxious seeing your statements. At ito ang warning signs. Always near maximum limit. Using one card to pay another debt of another card. And often, you do cash advances. So kapag ito ay nangyayari or ginagawa mo, it is really not a good idea to have multiple credit cards. Makontento ka na sa isa. At ito naman ang practices ng mga smart people who uses 2 to 3 credit cards. Number 1, they pay full balance every month. Number 2, keep utilization low up to 30% only. Avoid unnecessary cash advances. They also track expenses monthly. And they do not apply for many credit cards at once. Hindi rin maganda yon, nakakababa ng credit score. At eto yung palagi nilang iniisip at tinatandaan. Credit card is not an extra income. The truth is, credit card or credit limit is a debt. Utang yan. At bakit ba kailangan nating iisipin na ang credit card or ang credit limit is utang? Siyempre, kailangan nating isipin yon para hindi tayo maging extravagant at hindi tayo mag-overspend. And remember this very smart idea. Smart people do not collect credit cards. They manage them. Another smart idea, 2 to 3 credit cards can help you build your credit and doesn't destroy your credit. Alright, so there you go. We are done with our short video for today. And kung nagustuhan ninyo ang content natin for today or you were able to relate, mag-comment naman kayo. Sabihin nyo, I go for 1 credit card or I go for multiple credit cards. Maraming salamat po sa inyong lahat for tuning in. Sana meron kayong natutunan dito sa ating content for today. And before I go, I'd like to encourage sana yung mga dumadaan lang sa ating YouTube channel na hindi pa nag-subscribe, please subscribe sa ating YouTube channel. Meron tayong notification bell down there that you can tap so that you'll always be notified kapag meron tayong bagong video. Remember, as what I always say, kahit gaano kadaming problema ang pinagdadaanan nating lahat, trials, challenges, nobody is exempted. But remember that life is beautiful because God is so good. Bye everyone!